England is a country that is part of the United Kingdom. It shares land borders with Scotland to the north and Wales to the west. The name England is derived from the Old English name Englaland, which means land of the angels. It is the birthplace of Shakespeare and the Beatles. The capital, London, on the River Thames, is home of Parliament, Big Ben, and the 11th century Tower of London. It is also a multicultural, modern hub for the arts and the business. Other large cities are Manchester, Birmingham, Liverpool, Bristol, and the university centres of Oxford and Cambridge. London, the capital of Great Britain, is also one of the world's capitals of finance, fashion, arts, and entertainment. The city has a recorded history dating back to Roman times and encompassing the lives of such illustrious political figures as William the Conqueror, Thomas Becket, and Queen Elizabeth I, as well as those of William Shakespeare, John Milton, and the other authors who created one of the world's great bodies of literature. Madame Tussauds is a wax museum in London. It was founded by Anna Maria Tussaud, a French artist known for her wax sculptures. Madame Tussauds is a major tourist attraction in London, displaying the waxworks of famous and historic people and also popular film characters. The first permanent exhibit was set up in 1835 in London. In 1940, Madame Tussauds of London was hit by the German bombs. More than 350 head molds were destroyed. The first overseas branch of Madame Tussauds is in Amsterdam. It opened in 1970. There are currently 21 Madame Tussauds worldwide, including 6 in the USA, and museums in Beijing, Tokyo, and Sydney. Formerly the heart of a vast empire, London was also a centre of the Industrial Revolution and a showcase for both the material progress and the dire social ills it created. In the 20th century, the city has rebuilt and renewed itself following the devastating bombing attacks of World War II and discovered a new identity as a post imperial, multi ethnic metropolis. St. Paul's Cathedral, London, is an Anglican cathedral and the seat of the Bishop of London. It sits on Ludgate Hill at the highest point of the City of London. The majestic St. Paul's Cathedral was built by Christopher Wren between 1675 and 1711. It is one of Europe's largest cathedrals. The dome reaches a height of 111 meters and weighs about 66,000 tons. 8 arches support the dome. On top of the dome is a large lantern with a weight of 850 tons. 560 steps lead visitors along 3 galleries all the way to the top of the dome. The first gallery, the Whispering Gallery, just inside the dome, is renowned for its acoustics. The second gallery, the Stone Gallery, is situated at the height of 53 meters on the outside of the dome, right above the colonnade. On top of the dome, at a height of 85 meters, is a narrow golden gallery which encircles the lantern's base. From here, you have a magnificent view over the city. The church was a site of a number of important historic events, such as the funeral of Admiral Nelson in 1806 and the funeral of Winston Churchill in 1965. Prince Charles and Lady Diana Spencer married here in 1981. Buckingham Palace is the London residence and administrative headquarters of the monarch of the United Kingdom. Located in the city of Westminster, the palace is often at the centre of state occasions and royal hospitality. It has been a focal point for the British people at times of national rejoicing and mourning. Originally known as Buckingham House, the building at the core of today's palace was a large townhouse built for the Duke of Buckingham in 1703. The palace chapel was destroyed by a German bomb during World War II. Oxford Street is a major road in the city of Westminster in the West End of London, running from Tottenham Court Road to Marble Arch via Oxford Circus. It is Europe's busiest shopping street with around 500,000 daily visitors and as of 2012 had approximately 300 shops. Oxford Street runs for approximately 1.2 miles, that is 1.9 kilometers. It is entirely within the city of Westminster. A London bus tour is one of the most iconic ways to experience London. We can see the sights from the comfort of our seats as we are driven through the streets of the city, taking in all of the iconic London landmarks. Hop on, hop off means you can jump on and off the bus at your designated stops as many times as you want within your ticket validity. Guard mounting or the changing of the guard is a formal ceremony in which sentries providing ceremonial guard duties at important institutions are relieved by a new batch of sentries. The ceremonies are often elaborate and precisely choreographed. Changing the guard begins on the forecourt of Buckingham Palace at 11 a.m. sharp, following a march by a detachment of the Old Guard with musical support from St. James's Palace and the New Guard led by a regimental band from Wellington Barracks. The changing of the guard ceremony lasts for approximately 45 minutes. Thames London Riverboat Service or cruise leaves regularly from the Westminster Pier, passing historic and modern places of interest along the River Thames, like the London Eye, the Tower of London, and more. It is a unique view of London along London's most famous waterway and to explore the city's picturesque canals. Covent Garden is in the West End, London's main theatre and entertainment area. Tourists fill its elegant car-free piazza, home to fashion stores, crafts at the Apple Market, and the Royal Opera House. Street entertainers perform by 17th century St. Paul's Church, and the London Transport Museum houses vintage vehicles. Restaurants with pre-show deals and high-end spots like the Ivy cater to the theatre goers. Covent Garden is renowned for its luxury fashion and beauty stores as well as award-winning restaurants and theatres. Harrods is a departmental store located on Brompton Street in Knightsbridge, London. The store occupies a 5-acre site and has 330 departments covering 1.1 million square feet of retail space. It is the largest department store in Europe. It is owned by the state of Qatar. The Tower of London, officially Her Majesty's Royal Palace and Fortress of the Tower of London, is a historic castle located on the north bank of the River Thames in central London. The Tower of London has played a prominent role in English history. It was besieged several times, and controlling it has been an important part of controlling the country. The tower has served variously as an armoury, a treasury, a menagerie, the home of the Royal Mint, a public record office, and the home of the crown jewels of England. The 105-carat Kohinoor diamond sits in the Tower of London. All these crowns are on display in the Jewel House at the Tower of London, with crystal replicas of the diamonds set in the older crowns. Tower Bridge is a combined bascule and suspension bridge in London built between 1886 and 1894. The bridge crosses the River Thames close to the Tower of London and has become an iconic symbol of London. Because of this, Tower Bridge is sometimes confused with London Bridge, situated some 4.5 miles upstream. The bridge consists of two bridge towers tied together at the upper level by two horizontal walkways, designed to withstand the horizontal tension forces exerted by the suspended sections of the bridge on the landward sides of the towers. The Shard is a 95-story super-tall skyscraper designed by the Italian architect Renzo Piano in Southwark, London. Standing 309.7 meters high, the Shard is the tallest building in the United Kingdom, the tallest building in the European Union, the fifth tallest building in Europe, and the 96th tallest building in the world. The Shard's construction began in March 2009. It was topped out on 30th March 2012 and inaugurated on 5th of July 2012. The tower's privately operated observation deck, The View from the Shard, was opened to the public on 1st February 2013. The glass-clad pyramidal tower has 72 habitable floors with a viewing gallery and open-air observation deck on the 72nd floor at a height of 244 meters. Trafalgar Square is a public square in the city of Westminster, central London, built around the area formerly known as the Charing Cross. Its name commemorates the Battle of Trafalgar, a British naval victory in the Napoleonic War with France and Spain that took place on 21st October 1805 off the coast of Cape Trafalgar. The square has been used for community gatherings and political demonstrations. Nelson's Column is a monument in the Trafalgar Square, built to commemorate Admiral Horatio Nelson, who died at the Battle of Trafalgar in 1805. The monument was constructed between 1840 and 1843 to a design by William Railton. The Piccadilly Circus lies at the intersection of five main roads: the Regent Street, Shaftesbury Avenue, Piccadilly Street, Covent Street and Haymarket. It was created by John Nash as part of the future King George IV's plan to connect Carlton House, where the Prince Regent resided, with Regent's Park. The creation of Shaftesbury Avenue in 1885 turned the plaza into a busy traffic junction. This made Piccadilly Circus attractive for advertisers, who installed London's first illuminated billboards here in 1895. For some time, the plaza was surrounded by billboards, creating London's version of Times Square. Leicester Square is a pedestrianised square in the west of London. It was laid out in 1670 and is named after the contemporary Leicester House, itself named after Robert Sidney, 2nd Earl of Leicester. Filled with theatres, restaurants, bars, clubs, and shops, there's always something to do 24/7. Christmas in Leicester Square transforms the centre of bustling London into a wonderland, including traditional Christmas markets. Chinatown is an ethnic enclave in the city of Westminster, London. The enclave currently occupies the area in and around Gerrard Street. It contains a number of Chinese restaurants, bakeries, supermarkets, souvenir shops, and other Chinese run businesses. Castle is a royal residence at Windsor in the English county of Berkshire. It is notable for its long association with the English and later British royal family and for its architecture. The original castle was built in the 11th century after the Norman invasion of England by William the Conqueror. Since the time of Henry I, it has been used by the reigning monarch and is the longest occupied palace in Europe. Windsor Castle occupies 13 acres and combines the features of a fortification, a palace, and a small town. Queen Victoria and Prince Albert made Windsor Castle their principal royal residence. In February 1952, Elizabeth II came to the throne and decided to make Windsor her principal weekend retreat. Stonehenge is a prehistoric monument in Wiltshire, England. It consists of a ring of standing stones with each standing stone around 13 feet high, 7 feet wide, and weighing around 25 tons. The stones are set within earthworks in the middle of the most dense complex of Neolithic and Bronze Age monuments in England, including several hundred burial mounds. One of the most famous landmarks in the United Kingdom, Stonehenge is regarded as a British cultural icon. The site and its surroundings were added to UNESCO's list of World Heritage Sites. The University of Oxford is a collegiate research university in Oxford, England. There is evidence of teaching as far back as 1096, making it the oldest university in the English-speaking world and the world's second oldest university in continuous operation. The university is made up of 38 constituent colleges and a range of academic departments which are organized into 4 divisions. All the colleges are self-governing institutions within the university, each controlling its own membership and within its own internal structure and activities. Oxford has educated many notable alumni, including 27 Prime Ministers of the United Kingdom and many heads of state and government around the world. As of 2019, 69 Nobel Prize winners, 3 Field medalists, and 6 Turing Award winners have studied, worked, or held visiting fellowships at the University of Oxford. The Jurassic Coast is a World Heritage Site on the English Channel coast of southern England. It stretches from Exmouth in East Devon to Studland Bay in Dorset, a distance of about 96 miles, and was inscribed on the World Heritage List in the mid-December 2001. The site spans 185 million years of geological history, coastal erosion having exposed an almost continuous sequence of rock formations covering the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods. Natural features seen on this stretch of the coast include arches, pinnacles, and stacked rocks. The Natural History Museum in London exhibits a vast range of specimens from various segments of natural history. It is one of the three major museums on Exhibition Road in South Kensington, the others being the Science Museum and the Victoria and Albert Museum. This museum is home to life and earth science specimens comprising some 80 million items within five main collections: botany, entomology, mineralogy, paleontology, and zoology. The museum is particularly famous for its exhibition of dinosaur skeletons and ornate